Hello, welcome to part 5. Today we'll be doing custom posed mannequins in 1 minute. Start off with a base mesh in Blender and export it as an OBJ file. Open up Mixamo and upload your character. Follow the instructions to orient and auto-rig your character. Search the library of poses and animations until you find something that you like. Just have fun with it. Download as an FBX file and import into Blender. Make sure to scale correctly and place in your scene. And now you have custom posed mannequins that you can place throughout your store. Or you can go with more traditional poses like sitting and standing. Another passable option is just to use an image of a mannequin. It's faster and easier, and from most angles you can't even tell the difference. In the next video, I'll be doing finishing touches, placing hardware and merchandise throughout the store. If you want to see how I built this store, please feel free to check out my channel. There's a playlist showing how to build a retail store. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.